How do we know that we are cultivating right view? Well, it is a simple definition for it, and that is, in our right view, there is no greed, no hatred, no thought of causing pain on others. But we should be true to ourselves when we introduce Buddhism or whatever it is to others. Help, a word of advice, is it embedded with greed, anger, delusion? When we give encouragement, when we give financial support, is there an agenda behind it? Just because you give doesn't mean that it's meritorious. So when we give advice, we help somebody, we should ask ourselves, are we cultivating right view? Meaning, do we have greed, anger, delusion, or hatred in that? And so the purity of the mind here should be helpful in understanding the teaching. When we have this pure mind, it helps because now we're now consistent with Buddhism. Right? When you're consistent, you can resonate with it. If Buddhism is teaching no self or selflessness, but here, whatever we do is self-centeredness, there are people who believe that accumulating wealth is the best thing in the world, and that should be the only motive. People would say that, if you're out in the world, it's a dog-eat-dog kind of world. If you're not the first one to attack, you are going to be attacked. So that's how they see the world. And that's not reality from a Buddhist perspective. We may say the right words, but it doesn't mean that we have the right understanding, because it's completely opposite of what Buddhism is teaching. But when we have this purity of the mind, meaning no greed, no anger, no animosity towards others, then it helps us to understand the teaching. The way in which a man lives is not unrelated to his capacity to understand the truth. And this is so fundamental. How we live our lives is really how we comprehend reality.